You, us. No plane tickets, just a bunch of veggies that are going to take us straight to Greece. Hi, you're with Wendy and Shannon. This Greek salad is so good, it'll make your taste buds scream, Oppa! So let's get started. Sorry, we're just deciding who gets to cut the cucumber.
I think I win.
Okay.
So we're gonna go in with an English cucumber, and you don't have to skin these cucumbers because the skin is very thin, and that's why you often find them wrapped in a plastic wrap in the grocery store. And we're gonna start off with just chopping off the ends. Now, I'm gonna cut it into half because we want bite-sized pieces, but you can also keep it in full rounds. So just run your knife through and cut it into half. And now we're gonna place them on the flat side down and cut them into medium slices. And bear with me, I'm just a sous chef. My mom generally does the cutting. Now let's scoop up the cucumber slices and add them to our bowl.
And now to the salad, we're going to add some tomatoes. And when choosing the tomatoes, make sure that they're firm but juicy. You can add 2 or 3 tomatoes depending upon the size. Now these are rather small, so let's go in with 3. Just going to halve it and then quarter it. We're going to snip off that top portion and then cut it down. These are nice, cute little size, so we don't have to cut it too much. Okay, let's add the tomatoes to the bowl with the cucumbers.
Now let's add some crunch. We're gonna go in with 1 green bell pepper. So we're gonna start off by just cutting off the sides. And this makes it really easy to take off the seeds of the green bell pepper. Look at that. So now that our bell pepper is de-seeded, we're gonna keep everything bite-sized. So we're gonna just slice it into strips, then turn it around and slice it into cubes. This way you get a bit of all the veggies in every serving. And now let's add the bell peppers into the bowl.
To add a little bite to the salad, we're going to go in with half a red onion. We're first just going to chop it down the center, and I'm going to slice it as fine as we can. And I like to break it up before tossing it into the bowl.
Now next up is about a ½ cup of kalamata olives, and you want to make sure you use the pitted ones. These are small but mighty, and they're packed with a bold briny punch.
And now we're going to add the crown jewel of the dish, feta cheese. So we're going to go in with 200 grams, which is approximately 7 ounces of feta cheese. You can either cube it or crumble it. I prefer crumbling it because it gives the salad a little extra texture and creaminess. And you can crumble it as big or as small as you want. I prefer keeping it in little bigger chunks. And before we crumble the second bit, I'm going to cut it into half on the diagonal. And we're going to preserve that to decorate the top of our salad so that we give it that authentic restaurant look when serving it up. Now once again, we're going to go ahead and just crumble it up into bits. Now if you're really fond of feta cheese, you can even add more. Now olive oil is liquid gold in every Greek kitchen. So you could just pour some olive oil on top of this and call it a day. But we're going to be making a dressing for our salad. It's tangy, it's garlicky, it's perfection.
For the dressing, we're going to go in with ½ cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. And you want to be generous here because this adds all the flavor. We're going to level this up with a ½ cup of red wine vinegar. And for good measure, about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar.
And now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And the Dijon mustard not only adds flavor, but it also helps in the emulsification of the dressing. To sweeten things up, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of honey. We're also going to add in about a teaspoon of lemon zest. We're just going to zest it on the microplane. And when zesting the lemon, get only the top layer of the skin, because if you get in the bottom white layer, it's going to make the dressing a little bit bittery. And we're also going to add 1 garlic clove for added flavor. Now you could either grate it or mince it, but we're going to go in and grate it because we want just the flavor without getting the pieces of garlic in our mouth.
And now it's time to season our dressing. We've got onion powder, basil, and oregano, the ultimate Greek seasoning. We're going to start off with about a ¼ teaspoon of onion powder, ¼ teaspoon of basil, and we're going to add that to my palm here first. Rub it together. This is going to let all the oils come out and the flavor just intensify, and add it in. And likewise with the oregano, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to take about a teaspoon of oregano. We really want to get that authentic Greek flavor. So again, we're gonna rub it together. This is gonna release the oils from the oregano. Let's season it with some pepper, and to bring out all the flavors, just a touch of salt. Remember, we've got the feta cheese, which is already salty in the salad, so we wanna keep this just light. We're gonna cover up our mason jar, and it's time to get shaken. This is gonna help the salad dressing emulsify, and we're gonna end up with a super creamy dressing to pour all over our salad. And there you go, the dressing is ready. Easy, right?
And now it's time to dress up our salad. And we're not going to drench it with the salad dressing. We're going to put just a little bit, because a little goes a long way. And you can preserve the balance in the refrigerator and use it as and when you want. And I've used a mason jar with a handle, so it's easy to pour it out. Just a little. And now it's time to toss it up. Wow, look at that. All the lovely colors and flavors blending together.
Now you can serve your Greek salad right in this mixing bowl, or you can plate it up. We're gonna add it to a shallow white dish, and just look at how the colors from all the veggies pop. This is gonna be delicious.
Now remember that piece of feta that we had kept aside? We're gonna use that to top the salad. Pour on some of that extra virgin olive oil on the top and sprinkle on some oregano. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now it's time to give the salad a taste. And while Shannon breaks up the feta that we had kept on the top, if you're new to our channel or haven't subscribed already and love to try out recipes that turn out right every time, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the bell icon so that you're the first one to get notified every time we upload a new video.
Perfect timing.
Wow. Shannon, can you put some for me, please? Wow. I'll get your bowl closer. Just gonna get everything up on the fork first. I got the olive and the feta.
Did better than me.
Cheers. Wow, this salad is so good. It's fresh, tangy, and it's like a vacation to Greece in a bowl.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on socials to stay connected with everything that's going on. And we'll see you in the next one. See ya! I'm just gonna eyeball it.
That means a little too much.
You have one line.
One word.
Okay. Okay.